I'm going to start by making the easiest and quickest chili ever. Anyone can make this. And I'm beginning by browning 1 pound of beef. And I'm using a very low fat content, so that I won't even need to drain this. So it's so simple. After I get all of this browned, then I'm going to add in a 28-ounce can of tomato puree. Then I'll get all of that mixed in well. Now you can use any beans that you have on hand, whatever you like. I have 3 15-ounce cans of chili beans. So I'm going to get that in there and get that all stirred around. 2 are regular chili beans, and 1 can is, I think it's hot chili beans, if you like a little spice in your chili. This is just a really convenient way for just to make individual servings to freeze for any time you want some chili. And now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water and 1 packet of chili seasoning. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's optional, of course, but it does cut down on the acidity in the chili. So after I get all that stirred in, I'm just going to bring that to a boil, turn the heat down and let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. And that's it. It's done. And then I'm going to let this cool completely and put this in some freezer containers. These containers are suitable for freezing and microwave use, and they're 16 ounces each. And I got them from Amazon, and it was a pretty good price. I think it was like $15 for 36 containers, so really good deal. So like I said, each container holds 2 cups. So I'll write the information and the date on the lids and get these in the freezer. Then I'm going to start on the second recipe, which is one of my favorites, and it's BBQ Cranberry Meatballs. And you just need 2 cups of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using the sweet and spicy, and 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce. If you don't like the whole berry, just get the regular cranberry sauce. And get that mixed in, and the meatballs are 2 pounds of the fully cooked homestyle meatballs, the Great Value brand. So just cook these on very, very low heat. Like I said, they're fully cooked, and you don't want to scorch your sauce, so you just want these, put a lid on those and heat those until they're hot through and through. Then let them cool completely, and you can put those in the same kind of containers you used for the chili. And don't worry about marking on these lids with a permanent marker, because you can easily remove that with an alcohol swab or even nail polish remover, so that you can just keep rewriting whatever the product is you're putting in these. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Give it a try. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.